Hello everyone, today I am going to teach you low to low drill from Pekiti Tirsia Kali, which leads you to Sabayan. Okay, so in this, if your opponent thrusts, you go side shuffle and then check the weapon from your hand. Okay, so in this, when you do this, you thrusting the eyes same time. Okay, again, so one, this is your first step. So you practice this first step many times, one, and then come back, two, and then back. Now after this, when the thrust comes, you go side shuffle and then thrust to the eye. After that, you need to hit the butt of the stick. Okay, so he stops it, and now clear this hand and cut this hand with your weapon, and then you can thrust your opponent. Okay, again I'm showing you in a flow. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then thrust. For the purpose of the drill, you need to go like in continuation, 1 and then 2, clear. Now go, start, 1, that's it, cut. Okay, cut, 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 that's it. But in actual combat, you need to do is 1 and then 2, 3. So get out of the line of the attack of his weapon and then thrust him and then come back. Okay, thank you so much.